So question number 4, third part we are doing. Sec a plus tan a into 1 minus sin a equals to, and 4 options are given. So how we'll do it? Sec a is 1 upon cos a, tan a is sin a upon cos a, and this is 1 minus sin a as it is I have written. Cos a is LCM, it is 1 plus sin a, 1 minus sin a. Okay, 1 plus sin a into 1 minus sin a is 1 minus sin square a. Why it is this? This is a, this is b, a plus b, a minus b. So identity a square minus b square upon cos a. 1 minus sin square a is cos square a upon cos a. So cos a and 1 cos a cancel. So this is equal to cos a. So option D is the correct answer. Any doubt in this one? Okay, then D part. Doubt or no doubt?
मैम
मैम
डाउट।
Okay, what is the doubt?
मैम हमको कब समझ आएगा कि हमें कैसे फॉर्मूला लगाना है?
Okay,
मैम
तो
फॉर्मूला की बेसिस।
हाँ ठीक है, तो एक्चुअली इसमें अप्रोच ऐसी होगी कि जो भी ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशो है उसको साइन या कॉस में कन्वर्ट कर लो. ठीक है, लाइक कोसेक थीटा है तो कोसेक थीटा कैन बी रिटन एज 1 अपॉन साइन थीटा. सेक थीटा कैन बी रिटन एज 1 अपॉन कॉस थीटा. tan theta can be written as sin theta upon cos theta, and cot theta can be written as cos theta upon sin theta. So if you will convert them to the simplest form, that is sin and cos, then things will be easy, and then with time you will understand. But first step ये होता है generally. Secondly, अगर कहीं पे mention है कि we have to use certain identity, जैसे हमको दिया है कि sec square a equals to 1 plus tan square a, ये आइडेंटिटी यूज करके करना है. तो जो भी ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियो है उनको sec और tan के टर्म्स में कन्वर्ट करना पड़ेगा. जैसे अगर हमारे पास क्वेश्चन है sin थीटा माइनस कॉस थीटा प्लस 1 अपॉन sin theta plus cos theta minus 1, I have to use this identity. It is mentioned in the question that use this identity and solve. तो sin theta को sec या tan में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए cos theta से डिवाइड करना पड़ेगा. तो डिवाइड cos theta को cos theta से डिवाइड करेंगे तो 1 हो जाएगा, sin theta को cos theta से डिवाइड करेंगे तो tan theta हो जाएगा, और 1 को cos theta से डिवाइड करेंगे तो sec theta हो जाएगा. तो डिवाइड फर्स्ट स्टेप होगा इस टाइप के क्वेश्चन में, डिवाइडिंग इन न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर बाय cos theta. This way. So we'll get all the things in terms of sec and tan, and then we can solve. So this will be tan theta, this will be 1, this will be sec theta, tan theta, 1, sec theta. Is it clear? Now actually with time things will be clear. यहाँ पे क्या किया है हमने, जैसे sec theta था तो इसको cos में कन्वर्ट कर दिया, tan को sin और cos में कन्वर्ट कर दिया. अब 1 प्लस साइन है 1 माइनस साइन है, तो हमने आइडेंटिटी लगाई a प्लस बी a माइनस बी a स्क्वायर माइनस बी स्क्वायर. 1 square is 1 only. Now we have used the identity cos square theta plus sin square theta equals to 1. So 1 minus sin square theta will be cos square theta. So instead of 1 minus sin square theta, we have substituted cos square theta. Cos and cos cancel, and therefore only cos A is the answer.
ओके मैम.
Okay. Now D part. Actually, you have to do lot of practice for trigonometry. Yes.
Ma'am, please wait. We have to copy that.
Okay. What do you have to copy? This one, third part.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, done.
Done? Okay. Then fourth, 1 plus tan square A upon 1 plus cot square A. Okay. Now, do we have any identity in which 1 plus tan square theta is there? वन प्लस tan square theta किसी आइडेंटिटी में है क्या?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
क्या है 1 plus tan square theta equals to?
Sec square.
So this will be sec square A. 1 plus cot square theta is equal to
Cosec square.
cosec square A. Okay. Now sec square A is 1 upon cos square A. Cosec square A is 1 upon tan square A. So whenever there is a fraction upon fraction, this both are multiplied and this both are multiplied. It will be cosec square A is sine square A. Cosec square A is 1 upon sine square A. So this is sine square A upon cos square A. Okay. So this is sine A upon cos A the whole square, that is equal to tan square A. Tan square A का मतलब यही है, tan A the whole square. Okay. So here also option D is correct answer. 8.4, fourth question, fourth part. Are these two questions clear?
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. You are late.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it clear?
Ma'am,
Yes.
मैम इसको अगर tan square A नहीं लिखे और sin by cos लिख के रखते तो गलत है।
नहीं, पर हमारे पास 4 options हैं. We have 4 options, from that we have to choose. So there first is sec square A. Sec square A is 1 upon cos square A. B minus 1. C cot square A. Cot square A is cos square A upon sin square A. Okay. And D tan square A. Tan square A is sin square A upon cos square A. Okay. तो अगर ये भी दिया हुआ हो सकता है ऑप्शंस में, ये भी दिया हो सकता है, वी शुड नो दैट विच इज इक्विवेलेंट टू व्हाट. Okay, so here we have to choose the correct answer. We don't have to find the answer. So among this, which is equivalent to this, we have to find. If no option is there, still tan square A में ही आंसर लिखोगे तो that will be best, because sin upon cos is tan. तो sin, cos and tan are mostly used trigonometric ratios. Okay. Any other doubt?
No, ma'am.
No. Then now, okay, what are the 3 identities which we have learned in previous class? Who can tell me?
मैम
Okay, Hinal Himani raised hand. Nirviksha is also saying. Then who else? Hinal Himani. Kavin. Okay. Okay, Kavin, you say.
Sec square minus tan square equals to 1. Tan
Okay,
square
first.
x
Okay.
and sin square x plus cos square x equals to 1. And cosec square minus cot square x equals to 1.
Okay. So first is sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. Next is 1 plus tan square theta equals to sec square theta. Okay. इसको उल्टा भी लिख सकते हैं, sec square theta minus tan square theta is 1, that is also correct. Okay. And 1 plus cot square theta equals to cosec square theta. Okay. So these are the 3 trigonometric ratios, 3 trigonometric identities, and our this fourth exercise is based on this only. Okay. Okay. Now we are doing example 12. Okay. Express cos A, tan A and sec A in terms of sin A. ठीक है, तो हमको क्या करना है, जैसे कि इसका मतलब ये है कि cos A को sin A के टर्म्स में लिखना है, tan A को sin A के टर्म्स में लिखना है और sec A को sin A के टर्म्स में लिखना है. ओके, तो सबसे पहले ऐसी cos A को हम sin A के टर्म्स में लिखेंगे. We are going to write cos A in terms of sin A. So is there any identity which relates cos and sin? Is there any identity which relates cos and
Identity.
sin? Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Which one?
Yes, ma'am. Cos square theta plus sin square theta equals to 1.
Yes. So we have cos square theta plus sin square theta equals to 1. We have to write cos in terms of sin. So cos square theta I'll keep here and I'll move sin square theta on other side. So cos theta equals to under root of 1 minus sin square theta. So this is cos in terms of sin. First is this. Okay. Next is tan in terms of sin. Tan theta equals to, actually I have written theta. वैसे if you want to write A, you can write A. And usually जो question में पूछा है वही लिखना चाहिए. I have written in terms of theta. Anyway, it won't make any difference. So, or here I'll change. In identity, it's okay. Okay. So, okay. Now tan A equals to sin A upon cos A. I want tan in terms of sin. तो ये तो already sin है. Numerator तो already sin है, तो I don't have to change it. Cos A, I have to write in terms of sin. So instead of cos A, I'll write this. So it will be sin A upon under root of 1 minus sin square A. This is actually tan in terms of sin. Okay. Next, sec in terms of sin. So sec theta equals to 1 by cos theta. Okay. And cos in terms of sin we have already written. So I'll copy this cos A. So it is 1 upon under root of 1 minus sin square A. So we got sec theta also in terms of sin theta. This is the sec in terms of sin. So are you getting? Cos in terms of sin, tan in terms of sin and sec in terms of sin. Now, exercise 8.4, first question. Okay, is it clear? The previous one? ये क्वेश्चन जिसको समझ में आ गया है, एग्जाम्पल 12, प्लीज टाइप Y. Yash is typing Y. Anybody else? Okay, Hinal, Himani, Siddharth, Hardik, Avni, Kavin, what? Nirviksha?
Ma'am,
Okay,
I have also sent it.
okay, okay. ठीक है. Now, express, question 1 is express trigonometric ratios sin, sec and tan in terms of cot. Okay, so first thing what we will do is we'll write all the identities here. Okay, sin square A plus cos square A equals to 1. Okay, 1 plus tan square A equals to sec square A, and 1 plus cot square A equals to cosec square A. ठीक है. हमको किसके टर्म्स में लिखना है? वी हैव टू राइट एवरीथिंग इन टर्म्स ऑफ कॉट. ठीक है, सबसे पहले इन तीनों आइडेंटिटीज में कॉट है कहाँ? कॉट इज इन थर्ड आइडेंटिटी. ठीक है, तो कॉट को हम सबसे इजीली लिख सकते हैं कोसेक के टर्म्स में, और कोसेक साइन का रेसिप्रोकल होता है, तो आई कैन राइट कॉट इन टर्म्स ऑफ, sorry, I have to write sine in terms of cot. So I'll first of all write this third identity, cosec square a equals to 1 plus cot square a. I have to write sine in terms of cot. So cosec I can easily convert to sine. So I can write 1 by sine square a equals to 1 plus cot square a, or sine square a equals to 1 upon 1 plus cot square a, or sine a equals to 1 upon under root of 1 plus cot square a. Okay, this is first part, sine in terms of cot. Okay, then we have to write sec in terms of cot. अब यहाँ पे अगर हम आइडेंटिटीज में sec ढूंढेंगे तो we will get this second identity. क्या हम sec in terms of cot, तो क्या हम tan को cot में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं? tan is reciprocal of cot, so I am writing sec square a equals to 1 plus tan square a. I have to convert tan in terms of cot, so I am writing this as tan square a is 1 upon cot square a, or this can be written as cot square a plus 1 upon cot square a, or sec a can be written as under root of cot square a plus 1 upon under root of cot square a is cot a only. So I'll write this way. So this is sec in terms of cot. Third is tan in terms of cot. Tan is just a reciprocal of cot. So tan a equals to 1 upon cot a. Okay. So go through this again. एक बार देखो इसको, सोचो, और फिर मुझे कोई डाउट हो तो ask me any doubt if you have.
मैम जो ऊपर आपने बॉक्स बना रखा है उसमें 1 माइनस sin a होना चाहिए, sin स्क्वायर a क्यों है? वो पहले ही रूट में है ना.
ये पहले वाले क्वेश्चन का, इसके दिस इज एक्चुअली, ये तो पहले वाले क्वेश्चन का है ना.
No, इसमें सॉरी मैम, सॉरी.
That one is of
Sorry.
okay previous question.
हाँ सर.
Okay.
कॉम्प्लेक्स से कनेक्टेड है.
ये क्लियर हुआ किसी को? ये थोड़ा सा ट्रिकी है, कंफ्यूजिंग है, तो इसमें अगर कोई डाउट है तो यू कैन आस्क. Okay, one more question I am going to do, and after that we'll take a pause and we'll revise what we have done. You don't have to worry, but still I know that this chapter is difficult. Last exercise is especially difficult. It takes time. So question 2, write all other trigonometric ratios of angle A in terms of sec A. Okay, so what are the trigonometric ratios? First of all, we'll write all the identities actually. Sin square A plus cos square A equals to 1. 1 plus tan square A equals to sec square A. Okay, and 1 plus cot square A equals to cosec square A. We have to write all the trigonometric ratios in terms of sec A. Okay, so first thing, suppose I have to write sine in terms of sec A. फर्स्ट आइडेंटिटी से स्टार्ट करें तो साइन स्क्वायर ए इक्वल्स टू 1 माइनस कॉस स्क्वायर ए, and cos square a I can convert to sec a by cos a is 1 upon sec, so it is 1 upon sec square a, so it will be sec square a minus 1 upon sec square a. This is sin square a, so sin a will be under root of sec square a minus 1 and square root of sec square a is sec a only, so this way I can write sin a. Okay, then cos a in terms of sec a, cos a is 1 upon sec a. Okay, so sin a we have found, cos a we have found. Okay, tan a is sin a upon cos a, so we have already written sin and cos in terms of sec a, so now it's easy. So just I have to reciprocal this sin a upon cos a. If I'll divide sin a upon cos a, this sec a and this sec a will cancel because they both are in denominators, so this will be only under root of sec square a minus 1. This is tan a. Okay, then now cosec a will be reciprocal of sin a, cot a will be reciprocal of tan a, so two more, this we can write directly actually. Cosec a will be sec a upon under root of sec square a minus 1, and cot a will be 1 upon under root of sec square a minus 1. Okay, so this is the solution of question 2. Okay, if any doubt is there, you can ask. Anybody understood this?
Ma'am, I understood.
Only Siddharth? What about others? What is doubt?
मैम थोड़ा कंफ्यूजिंग है.
हाँ, कंफ्यूजिंग तो है, इट्स ट्रू. ये प्रैक्टिस करना पड़ेगा एक्चुअली घर पे. ये without seeing the solution you should practice how to convert obtain in other trigonometric ratios. Okay, now exercise 8.4 we have done question number 1, question number 2, question number 3 we have done in previous class, question number 4 we have, first two parts we have done in previous class, remaining two parts we have done today. Okay, examples also, except example 15 we have done all the examples. So now I am starting question 5. Two parts will be doing today, and then we will be doing revision what we have done today. Okay, so cosec, first part is cosec theta minus cot theta the whole square equals to 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. Okay, cosec theta is what? 1 upon sin theta. LHS I am taking 1 upon sin theta. Cot theta is cos theta upon sin theta the whole square. So this will be 1 minus cos theta the whole square, and denominator okay will be, or I am taking actually this sin theta is LCM. If I'll take, I am writing again. So if I am taking sin theta as LCM, it is 1 minus cos theta and the whole square. So this can be written as 1 minus cos theta the whole square upon sin square theta. Now sin square theta we can write as 1 minus cos square theta. 1 minus cos square theta. 1 minus cos square theta can be written as 1 minus cos square theta. I can write it as 1 minus cos theta 1 plus cos theta. Okay, so doing this conversion, okay, this will be 1 minus cos theta the whole square upon 1 minus cos theta 1 plus cos theta. Okay, this and this cancel, so this is 1 minus cos theta upon 1 plus cos theta. This is what, that is RHS what we want. Is it clear? Okay. So